We started. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing the much awaited room tour. I don't know if it's much awaited, but today we're doing room tour. So welcome to my room, our home, as we used to call it. Sorry, this house, as we used to call it. So let's go. You know how you're doing it so that it's just the past mode. Is it like? Sorry guys, it's just one bulb that is working right now. So this, as I've tried to explain, the very first room tour video you saw when I first resumed was a corner room, and I think I'll put in clips. So this is my floor that you're seeing. That's this staircase, and this is where we start. So we have corner rooms, which is the first room tour that you saw. That was the video that existed, a corner room, and then you come to the rectangular room parts. That's why I'm doing another room tour. At the end of each corridor, we have corner rooms again. So corner rooms, and then we have rectangular rooms. And I just want to show you guys the difference. So this is my half of the room. This is not how the bed arrangements came. And Bisola said I should always give credit to her. So I got this inspiration from a friend Bisola. This is how she arranged her room when I first met her. And it just made more sense to me. Instead of the bed facing this way, and I'll now be facing the bathroom, which is what we had here. It was easier to face my roommates here. So that was nice. I also wanted to have my things in this corner. So the table here, instead of having it here where the lamp is, this is where the table would be normally. But I could now put my other things that I had here, my kaya. There was also a little bit of sleeping on the floor thanks to architecture. But the nights I wanted to wake up quickly. And this is my corner. I've always had things on the wall, but this is what I have right now. Verses for MSc2, verses for MSc1, my weekly tracker. We stopped in June because in July I was just doing studio Aki work. There was nothing else to track. Assignment tracker stopped in April because after that there was nothing else to track. My class PD certificate, guys. I used to have other things here, but this is what I have right now in this season of my life. Or I have certain quotes that I just always want to remember here also. My cup of pens, because I'm a pen girly. I also have notes that people wrote me at some point in the semester. This is my roommate asking me to wake her up by 4:30 a.m. And just, notes like that. This is from Jemima, the day she gave me food. And till I put them in my decoupage box, they will be on the table. And that's it. Oh, bathroom tour, guys. Here we have the bathroom that I didn't have to face, thankfully. It's a very small space, but it does the job. The shower and tap with our buckets because sustainability in Canaan land means that they turn off water at random times, so you just always keep water in our buckets. Okay. I think that's it for the bathroom talk. The heater, and that's it. I think those are the things that matter here. What are you doing? And that's all that matters here. So thank you guys for coming. Finn just reminded me that we have wardrobe tour. So everybody, I think the first video showed that. So you get 1, 2, 3, and then the second person gets the second half. Do I want to show this wardrobe? Do I want to? If I don't want to, you guys will not see the video. But I just want to show that the first half is you hang clothes and then you have cupboards there, and then you have drawers at the bottom. I will show you when it's empty. I'll put empty clips. And then the second half too, you have you can hang, you have clothes rod to an upper part and then a drawer at the bottom too. And then the mirror, which is such an amazing addition. The mirror in this room is on this side, and they are so wrong for that. But my first room, it was on this side, so like mirror, and that makes better sense. Like for lighting issues, why am I inside the corner looking at myself? We forgive them. That's it. Is there anything else to note in this room? AC, fan, window, one of the benefits of rectangular room. Um, the meter, I don't know if we should, because you pay for your electricity. So we're proud of our units. And oh, for inside. And the other signs are on the other end of the door. There are so many signs everywhere, guys, that we. This is sometimes we drop our keys with people. This is sometimes I'm going through a lot because of Aki, and I don't want anybody to talk to me. Um, that just happened once, like 1 week. And the door that is going through a lot right now. But am I facing the lights? Thank you guys for honoring me with your views of my CUPG room. I think I totally enjoyed my accommodation here, and I hope you will too. It was comfortable and I had an amazing experience. Thank you. Like, have you stopped it? Like and subscribe. If you watched it to this point, it means you enjoyed it. So like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.